judgment to our viewers?
Well, the Tribunal has just delivered its judgment in the petition filed by Labour Party against the conduct of the last gubernatorial election. And from the judgment just delivered, all the grounds upon which the Labour Party petition were dismissed. In fact, the Tribunal was of the opinion that the petition was grossly meritorious, grossly incompetent, and they did not establish any iota of the grounds upon which they came to the Tribunal. So it is clear from what the Tribunal has done this morning that you don't just go to the Tribunal to make allegations that you cannot come to the Tribunal to prove. These issues of going to Tribunal to file election petitions are not mere frivolous issues. You must have substantial issues that you can prove before the Tribunal to make your petition a serious matter. So with what has happened in this matter, I think we begin to learn and encourage people after elections, go and study the process that has taken place and see whether you have any iota of substance upon which you can base a petition and waste the time of the Tribunal and the courts in respect of such petition. So what has happened here this morning is that the Tribunal was not happy, and they made it very clear there's no iota of ground upon which the petition should have been produced. And clearly it evidences what Imo people have done. Imo people came out substantially, came out well to support the governor for the good work he's doing in Imo State. And that's exactly what the Tribunal has put this in. And my advice to the petitioner, the Labour Party, is accept the verdict of this court, come back to the House. We have the door of the governor is open to accommodate all Imolites without any iota of sentiment against any political party. Labour Party, they are all Imolites. They should come back to help to move Imo forward. Until the next election, they can try again. Yes. But for now, what's important is that we come together. Every Imolite should come together, and we see how we can put Imo on the right course. Thank you. COC Akon, Honorable Attorney General, Imo State. Sifred, okay, Charles Akon. Hey,